Hey guys, we're back another day. So I started a little bit late, and as you can see, I don't have my camera showing because I'm eating at the moment. So don't want to show my face getting stuffed. Okay, I'm back. So let's see what we can do. All right, so off rip. This look. Whoa, I didn't want to buy. What's this? But anyways, let's get everything ready. The spread is a little bit wide, so I'm going with a smaller share size. I'm not gonna go with my usual share size. I usually go in with 1,000 shares, but because the spread is a little bit wide, it's not super wide, but I'll definitely just do that just to manage the risk better. All right, so enough talking. Let's see what we can do. This looks like it's pushing down. Missed my entry. I look like I'm gonna take a buy position. See, this is what I'm saying. The spread is a little bit too wide. Can we get a continuation? Average is 12. Average is 12. I'm gonna close that out. It was a nice entry, but the share size is a little bit too heavy, so I'm gonna even make it a little bit smaller. Instead of 800, I'm putting it to 400. All right, so do we get the continuation? I do see a little bit of weakness, but I think this is just a little pullback. Okay, it's a little bit more than a pullback. I'm more inclined to taking a short position, but right there by the 9 EMA, if we can hold below that 1227, I'll take a short position. Let's see. There is some support. 1227 is the... All right, so I took a short position. Average is 11.99. So 11.99 is my average, and I'm glad that I went in with a smaller size to where I can manage risk a little bit better. So my exit will be at 1244 if we do hold above, but there is some resistant. Okay, nice. Can we get a continuation? Remember, 1240 is my stop. Nice. Can we get a continuation? So 1240. I was gonna sell the position, but I was a little bit too slow. But 1240 will be my stop if anything. We're in like a consolidation around here. I do see some big sellers above. But if we get back over that 1227, we might lose that momentum to the downside and look like we are. Can we get that continuation to the downside? Nice. There's some support here. We're still getting support around those area. It looked like it's trying to break it down, but at the same time, it's also building the support. So I have to be careful. But like I said, 1240 is my stop. And it looked like we're about to get taken out. The sellers are fighting back. They're trying. Okay. Nice. Come on, let's go. Sellers, push it down. Sellers. Come on, sellers. Let's do it. Let's get one big push. Let's get a push. Come on. Break it down. I'm looking for the breakdown. Come on, let's go. Go. Yes, nice. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. And I will take that profit. I will take that profit. Close call. I was a little bit shaky. I'm like, taking too long, but that's the drop I was looking for. So that was a good entry, good exit, good reading on the price action, and also good risk management. So let's see how this react. Will it hold up or will it fall to the downside? Honestly, I might not even take any other trade after this one because I don't like how the price action is moving. Plus, it's a little bit hard to manage. Plus, it's a little bit hard to manage the risk. I did decide to lower my size. Okay. Now let's see how this go. I might take a trade to the upside after a pullback. Let's see. Nice. Back over 40. I'll enter for the up for the push up. There's a big seller at 1250. Average is 1220. Oh, I pressed the wrong button. Wow, I pressed the wrong button. I meant to buy. Wow. And I pressed the sell button for short by mistake. Anyways, I'm just gonna call it because I'm making silly mistakes right now, but either way, I'm gonna basically rate myself. I think I did good today in terms of following the risk. I mean, follow my my rules. So I give myself an A today. But I'm a little bit upset that I didn't get in on the right entry. I took a short position instead of the buy position, and I'm a little bit upset. And yeah, you guys might say, okay, this is not real money, but for me, I'm looking, or I have the intention to use this as I'm pretending like it's real money. So if this was real money, if I made that mistake, that wouldn't have been good. So I'm taking my practice as serious as possible. But either way, it's fine, I guess. So I got one. Wait, how many trades I took? Did I take two? I think I took two trades. Yeah, I took two trades, and it's going higher. I took three trades. Two, I think, was green, and the last one was red because I got in at the. Basically took the wrong entry. I took a short position instead of the long position that I was initially about to do. But it is what it is. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. And like I always say, well, if you guys are watching this, give me a grade. Grade my performance in terms of following my rules and discipline. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Enjoy. He like trading Equifuture. See you.